Hello, my dear friend. Today I'm going to teaching about if statement. Here we will use setter and getter method, and also I will use the constructor. Calculate arithmetic average if we have two input numbers, three numbers and four numbers, and these say invoke constructor with four argument, then output print the result is and value of results. If the result is greater than 80, print that's a great score. Use setter, getter and constructor. Now we can copy here this, Control C. Now let's create the new projects. Here is source, Java class, arithmetic, source, new Java class, arithmetic call main. You can name whatever name you like. Let's make size more bigger, and here now we must write here the input number, instance. Here is the comment. We have said that when we are writing the instance variable field, it's immediately after the class. Here is braces. Here we must write the instance variable private. We have double, private double number 1, private double number 2, private double number 3. Let's make this instance variable this with capital. Now private double. The reason why we have make the private is because to be this instance variable to be hidden from other classes. And now let's make the constructor public. The name of the class must be the same here. Here, in just a moment, I will write here the parameters here, number in constructor, number 1, double number 2, double number 3, here number 3, double number 4. Let's make one row. Can you see? This is the parameters inside of the constructor. Now we are going to write the inside constructor. In this instance variable, we are going to assign this value of this parameter, number 1, this, number 2, number 2, this, number 3, this, number 4, this number 4. Can you see? For this parameter we have assigned to this instance variable, but even that you can IntelliJ IDE, it can write this all automatical. Just you can go right click of mouse and here generate, or in Alt insert you can go constructor for two parameter. Okay, can you see it has make? This is the number, and this here we do not this here. Can you see we have right keyword this, but we don't need, because here this local variable and instance variable are different and we do not need. But if you have right, it is not any problem. Now we can create the constructor for 3 parameter. Can you see? We have created. We have create the constructor, and now we are going to create the getter and setter. Press Alt and insert, and here is getter and setter, or you can go code generate, and now go Alt, or you can go right click of mouse, and here is generate, where here I can see here is generate getter and setter. Control select this all. We have create getter and setter. Now we are going in main method. Here we are going to create public static void main parenthesis string square brackets and here is the local variable braces. Here this is public class, this is the name of class. Here we must declare the instance variable private, just in this class to be accessed. Private static double, just to see, we have 4 numbers. Number, here you can write 1 by 1 static double number 2, or private static double number 3 comma number. You can write to 1 by 1 to declare this instance variable, or you can declare two variables with this one code here. Private, it means that this instance variable will be accessed just in this class, in this method of this class. Static we have used because here in the main method we have here static, and you must here use static. Static is used when you have instance variable methods you must use this keyword static. Double it means that it's a number of decimal point, floating point. This is the instance variable. Now we must declare the scanner. Just type private static final scanner input. This is the instance variable, new object scanner. Let's make here in the new system in. This is one line of code. Here, when we use final keyword, it means that something that we cannot change. When you declare something with final, it's constant. Scanner. Scanner, this class, when we like to give input value from keyboard, this is the instance variable we have declared as an input. Now we are going here to declare the why static number. Just a moment here. Power save mode. Number 1. Input. This is the input. This scanner. It must read the input value for the number of decimal points that we have give with keyboard. Next, double. Now number 2 input. Next, double. Input. Next, double. Next, double. Here, cout print. I like to use more the print formatted. Here string, specify what percent, string, percent string, percent string, percent string. Now let's make here, this is one line of code. We have here space. Right. Here must double quotes when we like to print string. Here write input value. Input value. Now here is number 1, comma, number 2.